Have you ever wondered what our society would look like if it was dominated by robots? It's a thought that might seem far-fetched, yet the rapid advancements in technology, particularly in the field of robotics, are bringing us ever closer to this reality. As we speak, engineers and scientists are working tirelessly, crafting machines that can think, learn, and even feel in ways similar to us humans. Imagine a world where robots are no longer confined to factory floors, but are an integral part of our day-to-day lives. They could be our co-workers, our teachers, our healthcare providers, even our friends. This is not just a product of science fiction, but a potential glimpse into our not-so-distant future. The dawn of this new day is fast approaching, where robots will not merely be tools, but partners, cohabiting with us in a society that was once only human. Now imagine waking up to a day in such a society. What would it look like? In this robot-dominated society, your day starts not with an alarm clock, but with a robot gently nudging you awake. The world is no longer buzzing with the cacophony of alarm clocks. Instead, it's a harmonious coexistence of humans and robots, a symphony of efficiency and precision. Imagine waking up to the gentle hum of a robot who's already prepared breakfast for you. It's not just any breakfast, but one customized to your dietary needs and preferences. Your favorite pancakes maybe, with a drizzle of honey, or a hearty omelet packed with your choice of veggies. All of this, without you having to lift a finger. As you savor your breakfast, the robotic chauffeur is ready to drive you to work. The traffic is smooth, the ride comfortable, the roads are safer, thanks to the precision of these robotic drivers. There's no road rage, no impatient honking, just a peaceful commute. Once you reach your workplace, you're greeted by more robots performing various tasks. They're managing inventories, crunching numbers, overseeing production lines. Even complex tasks such as surgeries and legal counsel are being efficiently handled by robots. They're not replacing humans, but rather augmenting our capabilities, allowing us to focus on creative and innovative endeavors. Lunch breaks are a delight, with robotic chefs whipping up delicious meals in no time. Post-work, the same robotic chauffeur drives you home, where a robot has already tidied up the place, done your laundry, and even watered your plants. Dinner is a gourmet affair, prepared by your personal robot chef. As the evening winds down, a robot helps you with your workout routine, ensuring you're keeping fit and healthy. And when it's time to retire for the night, a robot tucks you in, adjusts the room temperature to your liking, and even reads you a bedtime story, if you so wish. As the day ends, you realize that your entire day has been managed by robots. And yet, everything has run smoothly. This scenario may seem far-fetched now, but with the way technology is progressing, it may not be too far off. Imagine a world where robots are no longer science fiction, but an integral part of our daily lives. Increased efficiency could be one of the most obvious benefits. Robots, unlike humans, don't tire, don't need breaks, and can work round the clock, freeing up humans for more creative, fulfilling tasks. Yet this new era could also bring about its own set of challenges. As robots take on more roles, job losses in certain sectors could become an unfortunate reality. And there's the question of privacy. With robots capable of collecting and processing vast amounts of data, how do we ensure our personal information stays safe? As we stand on the precipice of this new era, it's important to consider both the exciting possibilities and the potential challenges. Today we've explored a fascinating glimpse into a potential future society dominated by robots. This isn't just science fiction anymore, it's a reality that's knocking at our doorsteps. Robots are increasingly taking over tasks that were once in the realm of human endeavor. From mundane chores to complex operations, robots could be the helping hands we've longed for. Yet, like a coin with two sides, a robot-dominated society comes with its own set of benefits and drawbacks. Efficiency, precision, and tireless labor are the shiny side of the coin. On the flip side, we grapple with concerns around job displacement, ethical dilemmas, and the potential loss of human touch in our daily interactions. These are not mere conjectures, but rather crucial considerations we must weigh as we advance towards this new era. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, we must remember to do so responsibly, with an eye towards the future we want to create.